Well, hello, Job 5 Final Tie Sewer. You are the end of the road, and it's pretty exciting because this means this mask is going to get on someone's face soon, and that's awesome. Basically, you're going to drag that tie from the mask all the way to the end and fold it in place. And then along the open edges, you're going to go along the edge and just sew that puppy down. If you have to lengthen your stitch length, that's fine. Once you get near the mask, you may want to go back and forth, but here you can see I'm just like mowing right over it. And I'm trying to always make sure that the tie is pressed tightly against the mask. And then once you got past that point, you can just like drive it on home. You can cut it a little bit shorter, get the tie as well. You'll want to be careful to make sure that you are actually getting both sides of it. If it feels like it gets a little bit close, you can just sew back over that again. And again, congratulations, you just made someone very happy.